Hey guys, we're at Claddagh Beach.
Yes.
And we were here last night looking for a ring. We're coming back looking for a ring and to go hunting. So
Yeah.
we're gonna go get some beach badges today
Yeah.
and daily passes.
Yeah.
And try this out. Let's show you what we got last night, by the way. What we got last night. Got some coins in here. I got a little starfish bling.
That's nice.
Yep.
Yeah.
Coins.
Yeah. An earring.
Little earring.
I got junk.
Yeah, that's actually sunscreen. So
Yes.
whipped cream. Plastic things, fishing things.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. But that's it. We'll go out and see if we get something today.
Doggy's gonna have a good time.
Yes, the doggy's fired up already. Oh, he sees another dog.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right, Tim and I are working hard. There he is over there. Tide's going out still, which is good. I've dug bottle caps and trash, and I just got a dime, Roosevelt dime. So very close to where I was digging, Tim came across the tag. And it's got the number 110 on it. Only digging good signals, and I got a no cash value token. Yep.
Let's see what we got here. And the fishing worm. Okay, that's what I figured. Is that tickle there yet?
I got it.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah, right?
Sounds like a dime.
Yep. Alright, let's see what we got. There it is right there. Yep, got another dime.
My boyfriend just lost his gold chain about 10 minutes ago. Do you think you could use your metal detector?
Where?
He's over here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, fine.
Thank you so much. We were literally hoping someone would come by with a metal detector. It was his grandfather's. It's like,
Yeah, we'll go up there. Take a look for you. Oh, you should find if it's still there then. We'll find it. I'm gonna go look for a chain, honey.
thank you.
You're welcome. Yeah. Does it have a charm on it?
Yeah.
That's good. That'll be easier.
Yeah, there's a diamond on it.
Okay, it's just the pendant.
Oh, yeah. Oh, not even a chain.
No, not even the chain, just the pendant.
Yeah, that actually makes it easier. Chains are sometimes hard to find.
Yeah, I think it was like I was somewhere over in like $5. Oh no way!
Yeah.
Somewhere in this general area.
Okay. You guys are good for 5 minutes? Okay, cool beans. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.
Thank you.
How many carat? You know? It's just gold, that's all here. That's fine.
Like what?
Here. Work away here. Nope, just a dime.
I heard something crinkling.
Okay, let's do this. Chain. Oh, can't you get it? But you gonna pick with you?
I'm gonna grab you some money.
Okay, cool.
Thank you. You're welcome.
You're welcome, guys. Okay, Kathy just found a.
Should I get in it?
Hi guys. It's even windier than when I had a live stream earlier, so it's really windy.
It's windy.
So we're gonna try to shoot with everything to our back, and we'll see how that works out. But we're at
Pizza Beach.
Pizza Beach. Go back here again, see how we do.
Yep, exactly.
So-
In a couple weeks.
Yeah, so hopefully we'll do good.
Yeah.
So thanks a lot, everybody. Let's see you out on the beach. Bye, guys.
Okay, there's my first target. It is a vape. Surface find. All right, I'm on my second target. Gotta find it again. Man, here we go. 89, 86. Got it now. Several scoops later. And I got an icky quarter. There you go. All right, new target. 65, 68. A little bouncy. On my X-Terra Pro. It's going up into the 70s. Now I got it in the scoop. What do we got in here? It's a coin. It's a Zinkin.
Alright, guys, let's take Kathy to the surface find. A pair of Dave & Buster's sunglasses. Kathy. Dave & Buster's. Looks like I got 65. Got it this time. I got a dime. Still got a couple more targets here. Let's see if I can do this one first. Just a rock. I got a rock. Oh, no. Do I have that? No, I don't. 82. Got that. Let's see what this. I got a nickel. And a dime.
All right, there's Tim. I'm going to move so hopefully you can hear me over the wind. There he is. He's styling in his Dave & Buster's sunglasses.
27 signal. I got myself a nickel.
All right, I just got glasses too, but that pair is not wearable. All right, not far from the glasses, I found a binky in the sand. Okay, there's my hole over there. I'm trying to make sure that I have my back to the wind. I dug a 44, 35-44, and I got myself a 1993 Jefferson nickel. That's odd. Odd VDI. Okay, I am on a shallow 80. Let's see what we get for my shallow 80. Nothing in the first scoop, of course. Second scoop is a charm. And looks like I got a memorial scent. There you go, 1974 memorial scent. There we go, surface find. I got a scooter. All right, there's my hole there. I just dug a 3129 and you can see it hanging from the end of my scoop. Oh, what a pretty crucifix. Oh, wow. It is marked. It's got a marking on the back of it. It looks like it's 925. Nice. Very nice. On the chain. Look at that. So nice. Very nice. Okay, let's put that away. Very nice. Alrighty.
We're working on a 26 single here. 26 with the Manicore. Sounds good. It's a black beer tail. Oh well.
All right, another 29.30, and I got myself another nickel. Okay, I think you would see it down there by my scoop. There you go. Just dug a 29.19, and I got a fork.
There, she fixed her hair. She's all beautiful again. Me, on the other hand, doesn't matter.
Sorry.
Come on, you're messing up my comb over. Yep.
How's that better?
Yes.
There.
See, did you hear the referee?
I heard the referee.
Yes.
I heard the referee.
So.
Referee put me in timeout.
Put one of us in timeout. Maybe both of us.
Well, I was messing with your hair, so I guess I deserved the timeout.
Oh, okay, cool.
Okay.
Let's see.
We are doing a wrap-up.
Yeah, this is a wrap-up of
Pizza Beach.
Pizza Beach. Yeah, and also I did Wake Hole today.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You went to Honey Hole Beach.
Yeah.
While I was at school.
Well,
Okay.
me, myself, 2 hunts today. Didn't get nothing except coins. So, somebody else here, she got something, so wonder who it is. Jeez. Yes. Well, she got a beautiful, beautiful cross, and we'll show you that. And birdies are happy, so.
Yep.
Beautiful day in Jersey today.
It is.
Absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, really nice.
In the 70s today, sunny.
Yep.
It was windy at the beach, though. Windy,
Yes, it was.
Windy, very difficult.
Yeah.
But let's show you what we got, guys.
Yeah.
Again.
Hi.
We got quarter key lime pie, ice cream inside waiting for us. So
I put it in the freezer.
good.
Yeah.
So we're going to show us the top row up there.
Top row. We got junky glasses. We got fun glasses.
Dave and Buster's. Yep.
I got my first glug glug of the year.
Yeah, you got a glug glug. Usually you find lots of glug glugs.
Yeah. Wait, do we have another one?
Yes,
like
I
this?
found another one today.
That's pretty funny.
Whatever they make, whoever sweatshirt that they're making, they're selling those with, those ends just come off left and right. We've been finding left and right on the beach.
Yeah, we have been. Absolutely.
I think I got a little fork there.
I got a fork.
Yep. She's got a little scooter to run up and down the road at 90 miles an hour and run through the stop signs.
Yeah, that's what the kids in our neighborhood do.
Yeah, and every neighborhood.
In every neighborhood, probably, yeah.
So.
Exactly. I got a binky.
Yeah, she got a binky. Yep.
Poor kid. Poor mama. Got to deal with the kid who lost the binky.
Yep.
There's our trash. Exactly.
Yeah.
For the speed demon.
Apparently, the guy was upset because our neighbor wasn't doing 60 miles an hour on a 25 mile an hour street.
Yep.
So the guy peeled up past him and went out there. And,
Yeah.
so, anyway,
Anyway.
how many quarters we got there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
11 quarters.
11
Nice.
quarters.
And 10 dimes?
And 10 dimes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, 10 dimes.
And 5 nickels.
nickels.
Yeah, we haven't been finding much nickels this year, but today we did
All
pretty
of a
good.
sudden, yeah. Boom, boom, boom.
Had
Yeah,
like
they were ringing up
a little button there, a little hair clip thing,
Yeah.
zipper, a little chain. And this is the winner.
Wiener.
Beautiful cross.
Yeah.
It's pretty heavy too. So.
Yeah, it is.
And Mark 925 all over the place.
All over. All
Yeah.
over.
And it didn't stick to the magnet. So
Clasp. The cross.
I did a good job finding that, right?
Yeah.
Darn it. Yeah. Yeah. So that's very, very, very nice. It reminds me of that Italian cross I found, the Italian chain I found.
Italian chain, yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yes. Really nice piece there.
It is. It's a nice piece.
So that made our hunt, so
Yep, absolutely.
that and Surf Taco.
That and Surf Taco.
It was Taco Tuesday.
Yes, Taco
Tuesday.
Yep, we went to
Yep.
Surf Taco for lunch, for dinner.
So that's it, guys.
Yep.
Thanks for watching,
Yep.
and we'll see you on the beach. By the way, guys, I almost forgot. We have memberships. Want to become a member? Just click on the link. How's that? Pretty good?
Sounds good.
What do you think? We get about 4,000 of them tonight?
I don't think so.
Half of one? Maybe. We'll see.
We'll see.
Thanks a lot, guys. Whether you're doing that or not,
Yep.
we appreciate you all.
Yep.
Bye-bye.
Bye.